Welcome to Cedar Psychiatry. This is our waiting room. Front desk, tablets to check in. I'll show you some of our offices. Therapy office. One of our skilled prescribers over here. Kitchen and break room. Let me show you our TMS machine. This is deep TMS. We have helmets for major depressive disorder and now OCD, recently FDA approved. Another prescribing office, and here's our ketamine therapy suite, where we have a nurse's station. The lights are dim in here. We have 4 ketamine chairs, ketamine, Spravato, blankets, headphones, tablets, vital signs monitoring, nursing staff, keeping a close eye, holding space. And another prescriber's office over here. And then when you're done with your visit, you can just check out with the back office here and exit right through here. But come pay us a visit here at Cedar. Thanks.